My name is Martin Ewa, Project Manager of Fanmilk Ghana Limited. It's a subsidiary of Danone. We have one plant in Accra that serves Côte d'Ivoire, Togo, and Benin. And we have 5 distribution centers in Ghana. One in Tamale, Kumasi, Takoradi, Ntema, and Kaswa, where we currently sit. We produce ice creams in different flavors, yogurts also in different flavors, lollies, and juice. Kaswa site experiences power outages frequently during the day, weekend, and night as well. Secondly, power consumption per month is 95,000 kilowatts, which averagely is 100,000 Ghana cedis. This, with the savings that we intend to get from solar, which is about 35%, will reduce our operational costs. So solar is very necessary in this time so that we can harness the free energy from the sun to reduce these power outages that we've been having. One main challenge we faced in the delivery of this project was shipment, logistics, and getting the items that were ordered from Europe down on time. It caused us a bit of delay. But when they got in, Mantrac was able to do the installation in only 4 weeks, and that has helped so that now we are able to deliver and harness power.
We just completed a 250 kilowatt peak roof mount solar system for Mantrac. We installed it at the Fanmilk Ghana's depot in Kaswa. In all, we use about 15 employees, some of them electrical engineers, some technicians, and then a safety person.
The system that we have installed is a grid-tied system. And with the grid-tied system, the inverter works with the mains. The mains serve as a backup battery. And anytime that the system capacity is high, the solar installation system takes over all customers' equipment. And it doesn't consume any energy from the utility.
The units are operating all days within the week. So we can say 7 days a week, we have the units running. This solar solution from Mantrac will help our operations because we produce mainly frozen products that are kept in cold stores. And we can't afford to have power outages and our equipment not running. So anytime that power goes off, we necessarily must run on gensets and consume diesel, which is expensive. That is one. Then secondly, the solar itself saves us about 35% of power that we would have paid to ECG. When we put all these together, annually, we are saving €134,000. On the project implementation itself, positive experiences that we had with Mantrac was good collaboration between us and the team that did the installation. Then secondly, the safety aspect of the installation itself is something that were not done in our first 2 installations that we intend to implement. There are safety walkways on the panel for staff or anyone that wants to go on the roof to walk on, and that is good. Then the second thing is that there's a lifeline to hook yourself to in case you are working upstairs. And these are 2 things that are good that we want to implement in other places. Regarding after-sales support plan, we have a contract with Mantrac to maintain and keep the equipment running for the first 5 years. Aside that, there's a key support personnel that has been assigned to us that we can always fall on should anything arise as we operate the equipment. Our experience with this solar that we have just delivered with Mantrac is in line with Danone, our slogan, as in one planet, one health. We want to protect the environment. And dependence on solar helps us to reduce the amount of power we would have taken from the national grid. It also helps us to reduce the amount of power we would have taken from genset, which runs on diesel. So all this put together, we save on OPEX. We also save on the amount of power we would have taken from the national grid. Then in the long run, because we save on carbon release into the environment, we are also helping to promote the agenda of one planet, one health.